Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to connect your Patreon account to Discord. I was setting up my Patreon perks recently and thought I'd be cool to give supporters automatic access to a Discord server, and honestly, connecting the two felt easier than expected once I found the right spot. After logging into Patreon, I headed straight into settings, then click into creator settings on the right side, which is basically where all the behind scenes tools are hiding. From there, I opened the apps section and saw a list of integrations like Spotify and Vimeo, but the real goal here is Discord. I click on it, hit connect, and a pop up showed up asking me to authorize the link between the two platforms, which felt a bit like giving Discord a VIP pass into my Patreon world. After approving it, everything synced up nicely, and now it automatically managed access based on who's subscribed. It saves you a ton of time compared to doing it manually. Ever tried managing rows one by one? Yeah, this definitely beats that. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.